Good morning, boys and girls. So today you are going to have a couple things in Google Classroom. So like usual, you can click on your task list for today and you'll know everything going on. So the video there today for reading, we're going to be doing the last bit of Tom's Secret. And then you are going to come up with an overall summary of all of Tom's Secret, and you're going to put that into Google Classroom. All right, and then the next reading lesson is about looking at parts of the movie of Tom Sawyer and comparing the characters, how they look in the movie compared to how they looked in the excerpts that we read. So we've been talking about Tom's character, and I'm sure you visualized possibly what he looked like. Thinking about the pictures also that are in Tom's Secret in your booklet kind of show us kind of what he could look like or what he sounds like and acts like. So we're going to be comparing that today. And then during your small group time, you're going to have that time to work on your Google Classroom assignment, your summary. Then you're going to start typing your realistic fiction into a Google Doc. So just go to your Google Drive, make a Google Doc, label it your realistic fiction, and then you're going to start typing. And then you can read independently. For writing, we're taking our next step about how to make our characters' voices even better and how we're going to change them. And then when time, I'm going to give you that time to go ahead and go back into your Google Doc and make any of those changes you want to add. Alright, math, we're going on a 3.4, comparing and ordering decimals, and it's a one-day lesson, so you have a practice and a quiz. And I saw yesterday you guys did a great job. Everybody in the class got it done, and everybody got a good score, so good job. Keep up the hard work. Alright, for science, we're going to switch over to social studies today. Okay, so this is going to be 2 days. So if you want to take your time, look at the September 7th one. You're also going to get a hand copy of it. We have them. So, but if you click on this direct link, you'll see it's the election one. Okay, and it'll pull up. So if you want to watch any of the videos, and I think it's logging me on as a teacher right now, so let me log out. Okay, let's log in as a student. Remember, it's click login and you click I'm a student. And remember, your password is story5. So if you want to watch any of the videos, you will need to go down here, scroll down, and hit the September 7th. Okay. And if you'd like, they have the videos right here, but you can also open your presentation view. Give it a second. Alright, here we go. And remember, you can use these arrows and you can open it up in the videos, watch the video. So before we do a vote, a class vote, make sure you read about Joe Biden and make sure you read about Donald Trump. Okay, don't be swayed by what you've heard in the news. Don't be swayed by even your parents. Make this decision on you. Who do you think? Who makes the most sense for you? Okay? So you're going to read about Joe Biden and you're going to read about Donald Trump. And then you can cast your vote. Okay? So make sure you kind of know what they're about before you start to vote. But you can come in here and you can click immediately on the video and you can pull up the video and watch that. Alright? And what you're going to do by Friday, so you have today and tomorrow, you're going to answer these close reading questions. Okay, so, and these are in a Google form already in your Google Classroom. So how were the year's national conventions different from those of the past? Describe some of the challenges the candidates face, and how are the candidates trying to connect with voters? Okay, so there's 3 questions you'll have to answer, but Thursday, if you don't want to immediately answer the questions, that's fine. You can look through the magazine, look through all the interactive things, the online slideshows. You can look at the debate if you'd like, read about that. This was during 9/11, so there's another 9/11 video if you'd like to watch that. There's another video actually about the sloth bot. It's pretty funny looking. Alright, and then we're going to do this later. So don't try to answer all these questions right now, okay? And then there's a vote button. Okay. Alright, so we close out of that. Close out of your task list. Alright, so your reading assignment is this same thing, or on the same little assignment as your task list. So you'll just click on your Tom's Secret Summary and go ahead and type directly in it. But here's your social studies. So you have today and tomorrow to get your close reading questions done. I gave you the link here. I gave you the password. I gave you a direct link to the actual magazine. And here is a link to your Google Forms. Okay. So you see it's the same questions. All you have to do is type your answers in and submit. Make sure you're close reading, boys and girls. So I'm giving you today and tomorrow to do these. To look at the magazine, watch any videos, and then complete your close reading questions. But they have to be done by Friday before you go home. Okay? So it might be better for you to read Countdown Has Begun first, then do your questions, and then go back and watch all the videos. It's up to you, but this has to be done by Friday before you leave for the weekend. Okay? Alright, boys and girls, so you have that. I already put the due date on for Friday. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. You can email me or you can ask your substitute. She knows too. Alright, boys and girls, have a great day.